Good morning, children. Now this is 7th class social studies. What is that lesson? 9th lesson, production in a factory, a paper mill. Okay, children. So we have been discussing about this lesson for 2-3 classes. In the previous class also, I said about in the previous period also, I said many points about this lesson, children. So here I want to say once again in a brief these all points in this lesson. First one, paper. What is the raw material of the paper? So which raw material required for making a paper? I said three trees. Three kinds of trees are useful for raw material of the paper. What are that? Bamboo, eucalyptus and subabu. Bamboo, eucalyptus and subabu. These three trees are useful for making paper. Okay, children. Next one, disappearance of bamboo. Many years the contractors encourage the tribal people to cut the bamboo trees in forest area. That is why the tribal people, they cut off what is the bamboo tree in the forest area. So that's why what happened. So the bamboo trees are going to disappear. Okay. So but it is not correct. So that's why government to observe the situation and they encourage about the alternative of the paper making instead of bamboo. Okay, children. So next, children, process of paper. I said what are the process of paper? So in that lesson 5 stages are there for making of paper. What are the 5 stages of making of paper? I wrote here, I read to you. Chipping. First one is chipping. Second one is making of wood pulp. First one is chipping. Second one is making of wood pulp. Third one is spreading the pulp. Third one is spreading the pulp. Fourth one is pressing, drying and rolling of the finished paper. So last one is cutting. So when they finish the paper and when they make the paper, they will cut in a certain sizes. Okay. After cutting, they will bundle a different lots. Then they will export to different offices, etc. Okay, children. So there are the 5 stages of making of the paper. Next, children, working hours and shifts. I said the paper mill will work 24 hours a day. It may not stop. Okay. So that is why the paper mill owners are appointing the workers shift wisely. Every worker will do 8 hours a day. Okay. I said from morning 6 to 1 hour PM. That is one shift duty. 1 hour to 8 or 9 PM. That is second shift duty. 9 to next day 6 AM. That means night duty. That is the third shift duty. So the workers are going every 8 hours. They will change every 8 hours. That is why the mill is not stopped. It is always running throughout the day, 24 hours. Okay. So that is about the shift duty. Next one, the mill owners will appoint some workers. They will do general duty. General duty means from morning 9 or 10 to evening 5 or 6. Okay. Every day they will come. Every day they will come and from morning to evening they will do their duties. Who are they? Accountants, managers, clerks, computer operators, etc. Okay, children. Next one, selling the paper. So they will sell the paper to different offices, etc. Why? Because the paper is very essential. Almost all offices, okay, for register, attendance registers, For example, in the schools we are using these paper as writing answer sheets. Next one, attendance register. Next one is progress report. So each and every work is doing by the paper. Okay, so that is why we are using abundantly the paper almost all in the country. Okay children, next workers. What about workers? Here workers are two types children. First one is permanent workers, second one is casual labor or casual workers. So here permanent workers means the mill will appoint some workers permanently. They will come regularly. At the end of the month, the mill owner will give salaries 16,000, 15,000, etc. And they will provide all benefits to this worker. Okay, PFO, employment provident fund, that means. Next to health facilities, next to compensation, even all facilities, even bonus also will give to these permanent workers. Okay, next one is casual worker or casual labor. They will come 4 or 5 days in a week, but they will receive 100 rupees or 200 rupees from the mill owners per day. Okay, because they are not permanent. If they need, they will call these casual labor. If the mill owner need not, they may not call this casual labor. That is why the casual labor are waiting at the gate if any employment opportunity will give by the owners of the mill. Okay children, so they have no PF, bonus, health facilities, remaining extra benefits, etc. Okay children, so their wages are daily wages with low amount will give by the owners. So that is the two different permanent workers and casual labor. Okay children, next one, who owns the paper mill? Here a group of people will run the paper mill. They are the owners of the paper mill. So they will take the aid by the government. Okay children, so they will bring the raw material of the paper, that means wood, okay, from the farmers. Even nowadays the government also encouraging farmers to grow in their farmlands suitable trees. So that's why the farmers who are cultivating or growing the suitable trees in their fields. Okay children, so they will bring these suitable trees from the farmlands to the mills. Okay children, next one, they will look after all workers who are working in that mill. Next one, they will give salaries or wages who are working in that mill. Finally, they will sell the paper to different departments or different offices. So through this process, they are getting some profits. That profit will share by themselves. Okay children, some profit will give as bonus to the workers also. So that is about the paper mill owners. Next here, two types are there, paper mill owners. First one is private one, second one is government, that means public. In some areas, government alone supervising and conducting, organizing some paper mills. So they will supervise each and every stage of the paper, and finally they are getting profit. This profit will goes to the concerning government, whether it is state government or central government. Okay children, so that is about private paper mills, public paper mills or government paper mills. Next one, pollution. Due to the paper mills, so the environment will pollute, the water will contaminating, soil also contaminating. Okay, so when the paper mill set up around the area, a foul smell will come out. It will spread foul smell, that means bad smell. Okay, if the people or if the animal will inhale the bad smell, what will happen? They may affect by diseases. Okay, so that's why recently the effluents are another problem. So which is coming from the paper mill, the wastage, simply they are dumping into the river water. So in this way the river water will be contaminating. So if you will take the river water, polluted river water, what will happen? Some diseases also will affect you. Why? Because for making of the paper, in the paper mill, they are adding some chemicals. That is very danger to the animals and also human being. Okay children? So that is about pollution in this lesson. Now I want to show you some pictures in this lesson. You come to the page number 84 children. Look at children, this is the industry, paper mill, or now look at this is the entrance of the paper mill. Okay. Now look at here, the lorries are unloading. This is the unloading point. Lorries are waiting for unloading. A large crane will unload the wood, bamboo loads. Next children, look at here, lorry lifter. Lorry lifter. Next children, look here, laborer at a chipping machine. Laborer at a chipping machine. Next, look at the next page, 86 page number. Laborers at a setting machines. Okay children. Now you turn the next page, page number 87. Look at here, pulping machine, fiber line. What it is? Pulping machine. So they will add some chemicals. So that's why it will appear as pulp. So these are the 5 stages I said already. What are the 5 stages? And even working hours also, batch wisely workers will come. They will take one day as a rest, that is a holiday. Okay children. So you fill in the blanks in the flow chart given below. Wood is brought into the line, mill. Second stage, wood is cut into small chips. You write down with the help of the textbook matter what is the third one. Next, fourth stage is liquid wood pulp is cleaned and colored added. Next, you write down fifth one. What is the fifth stage? Next, sixth stage already given, pressing, rolling and finishing. You write down the last stage children. Okay. Next you come to the next page, paper cutting machine. What it is? Paper cutting machine. Okay children. Next page, here inside of the mill, inside of the factory, how look it is. So look once again, this is the inside of the paper mill. The workers will do with the help of machines. The machines run by electricity at present. Okay. So next children, look at page number 91. Rolls of paper. Look, these are all paper rolls children. So look at here, workers also there. They are the rolls of the paper. Okay. Now children, down the page here, keywords also there. Platform, conveyor belt, fiber line, label, allowances, bonus, pollution, working hours, raw material, etc. So we know these all points children I said in the class. What about platform, what about conveyor belt, fiber line, label, allowances. Allowances means children, apart from salaries and wages, the mill owners will give some extra amount to. For example, they will give uniform children. Bonus means out of profit they will give apart from salary some amount, that is called bonus. Pollution, I said a few seconds ago about pollution. Raw material. So raw material is important. It is come from mainly 3 kinds of trees: eucalyptus trees, bamboo trees and subabul trees. Okay children, so that is your lesson children. Thank you.